Good evening everyone, I am Kanak Jhajaria of class 10B. Today I am going to speak against the topic online education. As we all are aware of that online education or online classes cannot exchange the traditional ones. This is because there are many disadvantages of online education. First one being that online student feedback is limited. Means when a teacher asks a student a question and the student is knowing the answer, but still he is unable to answer due to some network issue or the mic issue. So that student, the impression of that student goes wrong to the teacher. This can make the student and the teacher both dissatisfied. Then we have social isolation, as online education can cause social isolation, which as the name suggests means self-isolation, that a person is having lack of conversation between humans. That person is called to be self-isolated. This happens when the teacher and a student, as a student needs to talk to other students being friends, but during online classes they don't get that opportunity. Then this can also lead to many mental issues like anxiety and negative thoughts. Then we are also aware of that online education requires strong self-motivation and time management skills. A person or a student having good time management skills can only cooperate with the online education. The other students would not be able to do so. So this also creates a difficulty for those students to keep up with the deadlines. Then, as we are also aware that online learning platforms gives a limitation that only these many students or these many participants can come into a meeting, and if that participants number increases, then this also creates the students not to enter in the class, and there is a lack of education for those students. Then we have that many social issues like the network issue, then we have lack of electricity. Then even in online classes many topics cannot be explained properly. Like for example, if a teacher is explaining something like chemical reactions, that if chemical A reacts with chemical B, so how a student would come to know whether chemical A or chemical B, which one of them is an acid or which one of them is a basic. So even if the teacher tells them, still they won't be able to recognize it properly, as they didn't have seen it in front of their eyes or physically. So it's not easy to understand for them, whereas if they have seen it in front of them, it would be easy. Then distractions happen during online classes, like other people in the house, they do their works, this creates noise and the students gets distracted and they gets deviated, they are not able to focus on what the teacher is teaching. Then even online education can cause many defects like eye defect, then mental health issues. In eye defect, it can cause as a student is sitting in front of the screen for 5 to 6 hours, that can cause a pressure on his or her eyes, and this can lead to the eye problems. And then in mental issues, a student can have headache. Then as we are all aware of that in rural areas, some these technological things like the mobile, laptop and all are which are necessary for online education are not economically feasible. So this cannot be provided to all the people in the country. Then we have little or no face-to-face interaction, as students, they don't switch on their cameras and sometimes teachers switch on their cameras, but most of the times they don't. Then we also have that cheating prevention, as if the student is given a task to complete or assignment, so that student has the time to complete it. Like if Google form is given, 10 questions are given, 40 minutes is given for 10 questions, so that student has the time to go onto the internet or the web browsers to search for the answer, and that's how that student can get all the marks. This cannot be prevented during online classes, whereas if it was a traditional class, then there is no scope for the students to cheat, as the teacher is in front of them and teacher is keeping a check on them. Then there are some certain disciplines which are like, if the social science and humanities field can be explained through online education, whereas the science field and mathematics field cannot be explained on the online platform. This is because online science and maths field require hand-on practicals. That's why they cannot be seen or understood by these things, by the online classes. Then even the teachers or the instructors, they tend to focus on theory rather than practicals. So they just keep telling about the theories, and even if the student understands the theory very nicely, and when he or she is asked to perform it, he or she cannot perform it, as he or she just have seen it on a screen. He or she hasn't performed it or hasn't seen it physically. Then there is inaccessible to computer for illiterate population, like as this online classes started during pandemic. At that time, many teachers were not aware how to make a link for the class, how to join a class. So these were the problems at that time, and many teachers were even not aware of what app or what web they should use for these classes and how they should take the classes. Then this can also lead to misuse of the technology given to the students, that if the class is going on, they will turn the audio off, and they might be watching something else on YouTube, or they might be playing, they might not be listening to the teachers. So at that time, the teacher is not responsible for it. This is what the teacher thinks at the on online platforms, that teacher was responsible till the student was in school. Now as the student is at home, students' responsibility is student are the responsibility of their parents. This can also lead to the user identification, which means that a teacher cannot understand a student on online platform, his nature, his behavior. He or she cannot understand it on online platform, as there are many challenges like the network issue and then other mobile problems. So due to which the student might not be able to answer, and this might create a wrong impression on the teacher. So with this, I strongly believe that the government should try its best to bring back the traditional classes and just stop these online classes. Thank you.